Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and more specifically tell you to try this first if you have a slow drain problem. So essentially, if you have a slow draining problem, try this first because it helped me with my laundry room drain over here and it will likely help you too. So let's get into this video. I said it will likely help you too, but it might help you. It doesn't always work, but if you've tried other things and they don't help, then this might help you, okay? So essentially, the laundry room sink was draining slowly, okay? And I tried using like the pour in, drain cleaners, like I tried using Drano and stuff, and it helped a little bit, but really it didn't really help that much, okay? I was in the process of doing a renovation, so I ended up snaking the drain and that solved the problem. It was really clogged up. So I snaked the drain along with my contractor. He had a snake. He basically, a plumbing snake, not a real snake. He had a plumbing snake and he let me use it, so I snaked the drain. It solved the problem. And about 6 months later, it was starting to drain slowly again, and I'm like, I can't figure out what's going to help this situation. That's too quick of a time frame. We don't really use this for anything. We literally just rinse the detergent cup in here for the most part, and I couldn't figure it out. Now, what I did realize was that the washer does drain into this drain. So if you take a look over here, that's where the washer, which is just over here off to the side, I don't need to show you, but there's a washer and a dryer here, and the washer drains into there, and obviously there's going to be some lint draining from the washer. So I figured it was some lint built up in there, caught on some of the stuff along the sides of the pipe. So what I actually did, one time it was really, really clogged, and I got a plunger. Okay, so it was clogged, it wasn't even draining at all. So I said, you know what, I don't even want to pour any stuff in there. I just got a plunger like this. So this one right here that has that little extra spout, and I put it over here, and I I gave it a couple, plunges, and literally this thing drains as if it's brand new. I'm not exaggerating. Literally maybe 5 plunges, I pulled it off, and this thing drains as if it's a brand new sink and a brand new drain. I'm not exaggerating. Solved the problem. And to be honest with you, I obviously didn't send a camera in there, so I don't know what the problem was, but I figured that it was probably just the lint building up along stuff that's probably already caught on the pipes underground. Okay? As far as I know, this is all PVC. This house was built in 1980. We moved in here in 2020, I believe. I think it was 2020, around there. But this house was, so we already moved in when it was already 40 years old. Now all of the pipes above ground are PVC or ABS. I can't remember. The black plumbing pipes that feel like plastic. But a lot of pipes underground are still clay pipe. So I know that they're more prone to getting stuff caught on them and stuff like that. So, I don't know what the problem was, but I do know that this solved it. And literally, it's probably been a month and a half, and it's still draining really, really nicely. So every couple months, I'm just going to go with the plunger, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, a couple plunges, and that's it. And honestly, if you make the sound effect, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, pa-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa, rah-rah-rah-rah-rah-rah, whatever the sound effect is, if you make that sound effect, it works better. I'm just joking about that. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to tell you that because I spent so much time and effort before trying to figure out what the problem was. A couple plunges, like 15 seconds, and boom, it's draining brand new again. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you in this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.